Today, we're diving into an exciting new device that's sure to catch your attention, the Infinix ZERO 45G. Priced at just Rm1699 here in Malaysia, this phone is packed with features that make it a standout in the premium mid-range category. I've been using the ZERO 45G for a while now, and I'm thrilled to share my experience with you. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly phone with some serious capabilities, especially if you're into vlogging, then stick around because this might just be the phone for you. So, what makes the Infinix ZERO 45G so special? Infinix is marketing this as a vlogger's phone, and for a good reason. Both the front and rear cameras on this device can shoot in stunning 4K at 60 FPS. Yes, you heard that right, 4K 60 FPS from both sides. The rear camera setup is nothing short of impressive. You've got a 108MP main shooter with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. For those selfies and vlogs, the front camera is a 50MP beast that captures every detail. Let me show you some footage I captured with this phone, so you can judge for yourself. As you can see, the video is incredibly fluid, and the colors are vibrant. Whether you're vlogging your day or capturing those unforgettable moments, the ZERO 45G handles it all with ease. Now, while the 4K 60 FPS footage is stunning, if you're looking for even smoother videos, the Ultra Steady Pro mode is where it's at. This mode gives you a super stable shot, but it does drop the resolution to 1080p at 60 FPS. Here's a quick comparison of the 4K footage and the Ultra Steady Pro mode so you can see the difference. Even when I was walking around, the stabilization in Ultra Steady Pro mode kept everything looking smooth and cinematic. If you're into action shots or just want that extra level of stability, this mode is a game changer. But the Infinix ZERO 45G isn't just about video, it's also got some serious photography chops. The 108MP main sensor delivers photos that are packed with detail and have a very natural color profile. It's not overly saturated, and the colors are quite true to life. The portrait mode is also a pleasant surprise. The camera automatically detects when someone smiles and snaps the photo at the perfect moment, giving you those candid shots without even trying. As you can see, the portrait mode creates a nice depth of field, and the smile detection feature is a fun addition, making it easier to capture those perfect moments. Moving on to the display, the Infinix ZERO 45G features a gorgeous curved AMOLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. This means that everything from scrolling through your social feeds to gaming feels incredibly smooth. The contrast levels, saturation, and brightness are top-notch, making it a joy to use both indoors and outdoors. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Dimensity 8200 Ultimate processor. It's comparable to the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, offering solid performance across the board. Whether you're multitasking, playing games, or just browsing the web, the ZERO 45G handles it all with ease. And if you're into gaming, just set the graphics to medium for a smooth experience. Battery life is another strong suit of this phone. The 4500 mAh battery might not sound huge, but it's optimized well enough to last you an entire day on a single charge. And when you do need to juice up, the 45W fast charging has you covered, getting you back to full power in no time. Plus, the charger comes included in the box, which is always a nice touch. Finally, let's talk about the design. Infinix has really stepped up their game with the ZERO 45G. The phone has a slim profile with a circular camera module on the back that looks sophisticated and modern. It's got a bit of weight to it, which adds to that premium feel, making it hard to believe this is a sub-Rm2000 device. So, There you have it, the Infinix ZERO 45G. At a price of just $16.99. It's offering features and performance that are hard to beat in this segment. Whether you're into vlogging, photography, or just want a stylish and capable phone for daily use, this device has got you covered. What do you think of the Infinix ZERO 45G? Are you considering getting one? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care and stay safe.